Alright guys, so a customer brought us this F-150. All the customer wants us to do is to just do the roof. So I already started taping right here, as you can see. So I won't like scratch the paint while standing. It's gonna be an easy job, guys. So let's get to it.
What's going on? What do you got?
I'm just taping. I'm already done sanding the whole entire roof. But the thing is that there was rust spots, so I had to go into bare metal, and I'm just putting paper and tape so I can spray the etching primer. So let me just finish and spray the etching primer. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done taping the whole entire truck. I already sanded and I already cleaned it with paint thinner. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna spray the etching primer. So let me go get started with spraying. Okay guys, so we're just gonna let it flash, and as soon as that's done, we're gonna shoot the Raptor, so let's just wait. Okay guys, so we're pretty much, we're gonna call it a day today. We're running out of sunlight. Also, we're just gonna let the etching primer flash because we really don't wanna shoot the Raptor when it's still wet. Also guys, for tomorrow, I'm just gonna shoot the Raptor in the morning and get this truck ready to go. Also guys, don't forget about the $25 Raptor paint job giveaway. Please don't miss this chance. It's just $25 guys, so go get your number. Also guys, don't forget about the $1 donation. We really want to do this project and we really need your help. So other than that guys, thank you for your support and like and subscribe.
Alright guys, so we let it dry for 45 minutes, came back, now we're gonna shoot the texture.
So we're pretty much done with the F-150. We did the whole roof and it came out pretty good, so go take a look. Customer is gonna be very happy with it. He wanted to color match it blue with the truck. He's not gonna have a problem with the rust nor the rain. He doesn't have to put silicone here or nothing. So it's a brand new roof, guys. So thank you for your support. Like and subscribe. Oh wait, hold up. Also, if you guys need any help or anything, check our website out. It's on the link in the description. Guys, that $25 Raptor paint job giveaway, just buy it, guys. You guys will get an entire job for $25. So and the $1 donation. So please help us out with that with our project. And other than that, guys, thank you for your support and like and subscribe.